Thanks to AGM, I realized I made a mistake on this video a little while ago. I was having a rough day that day and I made a lot of mistakes. So here I am fixing it. So I have a word problem on here. It's not too hard. And the first thing I'm going to do is read it and highlight the important info. So it says, a truck carrying water bottles weighing 15 pounds each must cross a bridge that can support a maximum weight of 4,000 pounds. The weight of an empty truck with a full tank of gas is 1,600 pounds. I forgot to do that last time. And an often forgotten tiny word, but still importante. And the driver weighs 190 pounds. Everything's in pounds, so we all have the same units. That's cool. Makes our life easier when things are in the same units. And then our question at the end is always underlined because it helps me focus and it helps me write my let statement. It says, what is the maximum number of water bottles that the truck can carry? So we often use the letter X. So I'm going to say let X represent or equal the number of water bottles on the truck. And these kind of things are important in real life because you'll see a sign on the side of the road that says max weight limit. If you go over the max weight limit, you're going to crack the road. It's going to cost somebody money. I mean, no joke. I've been stuck behind trucks before that are not reading the clearance sign that say, only this high. It wasn't that long ago that somebody took a boom truck on 87 and ran right into the bridge at Sitterly Road, and now they're putting in a new bridge. So these math mistakes are costing a lot of people some time in their commute, not to mention the money for repairing the bridge. So I wonder if that guy's paying for it out of pocket, or is it covered under insurance or something? In any event, let's write down what we said. I said what are we doing? We're getting in a truck, and the truck weighs 1,600 pounds. So I got that. And, which means plus. There's a driver, which is 190 pounds. That driver's going to walk around and put the bottles in the truck, which are 15 pounds each. So 15 pounds for one, 30 pounds for two bottles, 45 pounds for three. So I keep adding multiples of 15. So that's multiplying by the number of water bottles, which we said we don't know they are, so it's X. And if it's a maximum of 4,000 pounds, can you be 4,000 pounds on the road? You can. Or you gotta be under. What you can't be is over. So we're gonna use a less than or equal to sign for maximum. Now I'm gonna do my solving. I solving is using opposites and using algebra and our properties. But before I solve anything, I like to simplify first. So I could simplify the weight of the truck and the driver into one weight of 1790. Pretty sure I'm smarter today than I was yesterday. So that is a plus sign. It's connected, and I'm just going to deal with what my X is connected to between Cami and Screencastify. It's like asking my Chrome to do too much here. So a little laggy there. So, can I simplify any further? No. Then let's start taking things away, doing opposites to get the X by itself. So what are we going to get rid of first? The furthest thing away. We don't have any like terms. We don't have any like terms on opposite sides. We're getting rid of adding and subtracting. So I'm going to take the truck weight and driver weight off, so that I'm only left with the water bottles. And try to pick up my pen so I don't connect everything. Oh, isn't that pretty? So let's see if I can write off the screen. Doesn't look like it. 4,000 minus 1,000 is 3,000. Take away 700 is 2,300. Take away the 90. 2,210. Check me, because you know I make mistakes. And I love it when someone goes, Mrs. Roberts, I found a mistake. Because it means you were really paying attention to what I said. 2, 2, and it also means you really know what's going on. And I'm not perfect, so I'm going to recopy that because I ran out of space. I got 15x. I added and subtracted, which doesn't make my inequality sign flip. So I'm just going to keep that sign less than or equal to. And then after I get rid of any adding or subtracting, I'm going to divide off to get rid of the times 15. So I'm going to divide off the weight for each bottle so that I can figure out how many bottles. So I put in 2210 divided by 15, and I get 147.3 forever, otherwise known as repeating. Then I'm going to go back after I'm done and answer what's the max number of bottles that I can put on this truck. You don't put in a partial bottle, so it's 147. And I want you to box it in or something, make it stand out. If you stopped at the last step, then it wouldn't have been complete. Tell me, what's the most number of bottles you can put on that truck? 147. Anything after that, you're going to be in trouble. Okay. I hope I did this one right. Please. All right. Anything left for me to do? No. I'm good. Thanks.